Most cinematic layouts feel expensive because the depth is built gradually instead of all at once. Today, how to explore cinematic depth frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one wide rectangular frame slightly above center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for dramatic focus. Duplicate the frame several times, enlarging each copy slightly while lowering opacity to build smooth layered depth behind the subject. Add one smaller overlapping frame for contrast and storytelling. Select the background and apply a dark muted gradient to enhance atmosphere naturally. Add subtle blur overlays and soft shadows to